Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome if you are new. Today I'm just going to be quickly cleaning up the house. It doesn't need a deep scrub, it just kind of needs to be wiped over. I'll be doing the bathrooms and the floors and of course the French doors in the kitchen. Like I said in some of my previous videos, those always need to be done, so let's get started.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Keep my focus right. Every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. Love of mine. tattoos is a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, and the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a remedy, remedy, remedy. Yeah, yeah, there's a remedy, remedy. Yeah. Oh no, darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling, Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's no remedy, remedy, yeah.
I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. You know I can't stop loving you. Every time when you're looking at me, it feels like my heart is skipping a beat, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You make me crazy in a good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love and feeling alright. And let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. You're everything I'll ever need. So let's talk about love. Can I take you out tonight? Kiss you in the moonlight. There is no place I'd rather be. Come on, girl, we can take my car, drinking some beers in your favorite bar, yeah. You know I can't live without you. You'll make me crazy in that good way. So come on, baby, let's talk. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love and feeling alright. And let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. You're everything I'll ever need. So let's talk about love. 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 I've got something on my mind. I bet you know what I'm thinking about. I've got something on my mind. Let's talk about love, like you and me all night. And let's talk about love and feeling alright. And let's talk about love. Yeah, baby, come and dance with me. You're everything I'll ever need. So let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love. Let's talk about love.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up our thoughts. know the answer. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Put your hands on my back, boy. Lead me to the brightest of my days. Wrap your arms around me, boy. Give me all the comfort that I crave, and I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you, follow you. I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you, I'll follow you. Put your lips against mine, boy. 'Cause I have lost a little bit of faith. I got lost in the darkness. Now I count on you to set me straight. I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you, follow you. I will follow you anywhere, anywhere you go. I'll follow you, I'll follow you.
We don't have to make this complicated, babe. If I say I love you, you just say you love me. We don't have to make this complicated, babe. If I say I love you, you just say you love me.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution.
Alright guys, so that was it. I am done. That was just a quick little cleaning motivation for you guys. So while I was cleaning, my mom brought her end tables. She had been saying for a while that she was going to buy her some more So I had asked her when she does if she would let me have her old ones, because when she got rid of this coffee table, or this coffee table is actually hers as well, that matched the end tables. She gave this to me a while back. So I had asked for the end tables whenever she got new ones, if she was going to get rid of them, that I wanted them. So she brought them over while I was cleaning, and there they are. I put my old end table that was down here before, I put that in Stratton's room as a nightstand. And I am going to do something different with these. I'm going to paint them. I thought about doing with the end tables, doing white on the bottom and then staining the top like a darker color. And then staining the coffee table whatever color I stain the top of the end tables with. Nick said he did not like that idea. He thought that I should do them all the same, but I don't really know if I want them all to look exactly the same, especially because I have this as well that's dark on the top and white on the bottom. So if y'all have any ideas what to do with these end tables and the coffee table, please let me know in the comments. So that is the end of the vlog. I hope that gave you some cleaning motivation. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, comment below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. We would love to have you as part of our YouTube family and join us on this journey. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.